And now we are all set. अब कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Immigration. Malaysia, we love you. Okay, finally it's 25th of October and I am at the international airport with my friend Simar Johar. Okay, so finally we are at the last onset of our flight. Next 10-15 minutes we'll be at the flight. That is where is our gate. And I hope in the seat with my boy. Friendship goals. Actually, he's defining friendship goals. He left his premium seat, business class seat. This totally sucks. We just checked in through the main check-in counter. Now I am officially in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. I just paid around 672 rupees for this taxi. Loot hai, but kar rahe hain. And is that we'll go to Sepang circuit first. We'll take the tickets. We'll see to it the things, the activities that is taking place. So finally, I am at the destination, the Sepang International MotoGP circuit. How are you feeling? Possibly you're finally. And we have also got the pass. Got to know that we'll be meeting MotoGP stars tomorrow morning by 9 AM. And we are very excited. The dream come true. We are at Sepang circuit, Malaysia. Finally I am here and it feels really good. We are at the South Grandstand. Earlier we were at the North Grandstand. There you will only see the rider coming fast and passing by, but here you can actually see the rider going fast and at the same time you can also see the rider cornering.
The next day.
Okay, good morning from KL. It's day 2. Me and my friend, we both are at a local joint which is run by an Indian, Keralite basically. Breakfast and then we'll be heading to Sepang International Circuit to witness the carnival. Free practice. Hoping for some good thing to happen today, which is meeting Marc Marquez. morning. It's day 3 in Malaysia. We are all excited. The D-Day, and it starts at around 3 p.m. I guess it's 12:30. We're still in the hotel. And by the way, this is my new setup. It's GoPro Hero 6, and I'm very happy about it. Are you happy? No, he's not happy. And my friend fully loaded with Marc Marquez t-shirt, Oakley glasses, cap which he bought around 3,000 bucks. So अगर इसको लूटेगा तो कम से कम 15-20 हज़ार रुपया only of his clothes. Only of his clothes. So yeah, our cab has come and off to the track.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to
Bye bye. Other thing is that yesterday I bought this GoPro, and I was told that if I register in the competition, I'll be getting a GoPro Hero 5. So the lucky draw is about to start by 5:30. I'm hoping here it's 5:10. So hope for the best.
A few moments later.
So we did not win because it was rigged. Racist bastard. Bastard. They gave all these t-shirts and both the GoPros to these Malaysian people itself. It feels like just yesterday, it was just a dream. Those days are gone, just memories. Happy we like it. This guy has nothing original. Sadly, even Marcus did not win. Came 4th. There's one more race to decide who is going to be the champion. Really disheartening, as he was leading by 35 points. 34 points, and now all gadbad. So the problem is, since today is the last day of the Malaysian GP, it's too crowded, and I doubt we would be getting any mode of transport.
The next day.
Finally, we are departing from KL. We are going to Mumbai, back home. This 4-5 days was great. Experience was great as well. Bye bye KL, bye bye. Waiting for the taxi to come and we leave. RM15. New Central.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track.
And one pro tip: Uber is cheap, bus is expensive, and metro is even more expensive. So that is a pro tip.
My head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel like
Waiting for the express, half an hour from here to the airport, and then next 4 hours for Mumbai.
what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta
The best part about this country is that as soon as you come out of the station, you are directly connected to the mall. So that thing is the station.
just wanna keep moving.
Rather
Yeah, I
kiosk.
put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able. Wants to move along, push myself to be the best. Die with no regrets, live with every breath. See my message start to spread, and I have so many dreams. Then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems.
My friend is passing comments.
Gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing.